Welcome back. Today we're diving into the essential rules that keep large businesses running smoothly. We'll explore how policies and procedures ensure a business operates safely, efficiently, and consistently. This video focuses on AS 2.1, Internal Operations, Policies, and Procedures, crucial for Year 12 Business Studies students. Policies and procedures are the backbone, providing rules and guidelines for safe, efficient, and consistent business operations. First, let's understand policies, which answer the fundamental why behind business decisions. Policies are broad guidelines that set expectations and explain the reasoning behind decisions. These crucial guidelines are typically decided and implemented by senior management. Take TIG's customer service policy, ensuring staff professionalism, or their regenerative tourism policy, a strategic commitment to sustainability. Now let's move on to procedures, which detail the how to put those policies into action. Procedures are step-by-step instructions for routine tasks, ensuring policies are implemented consistently. TIG's health and safety procedures include mandatory pre-departure vehicle inspections and geo-fencing for their vans, ensuring safety. For customer care, TIG uses quote, surprise and delight moments, personalized touches to create memorable experiences for customers. So why are policies and procedures so vital for a business like TIG? They ensure consistency and quality, making TIG's, extraordinary service repeatable and handling customer complaints fairly. Detailed health and safety procedures protect both staff and customers, crucial in a high-risk industry like tourism. Clear instructions minimize mistakes, reduce waste, and ensure legal compliance, preventing loss of trust and stunted growth. TIG isn't just following rules, they're innovating how they implement them. Their new staff app provides one-click access to policies for their mobile workforce, ensuring real-time compliance and quality. To wrap up, let's quickly review the core concepts. Policies are the why, TIG's commitment to safety. Procedures are the how, like checking vans daily. Together, policies and procedures allow TIG to effectively manage risk while consistently delivering excellence.